Lesson 1 Ajantaksharaani vowels. A, 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 A. The writing method. How to write A? Please watch. A is short vowel. A is long vowel. A is a long vowel. Next, E. 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 How to write these two letters? Just watch. E. E is a short vowel. E. E is a long vowel. U. 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 U is a short vowel. U is a long vowel. See how they are written. We are moving to next. R. 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 R is short vowel. See the method how to write. See the method of writing. R. Rishi. This is R, long vowel. One is short vowel, another one is long vowel. R. R, not ru. Okay, there is difference. R. This is R, long vowel. Ru is different, R is different. Now, L. L. It is also a short vowel. The method to write is L. See how to write L. A. I. A is long vowel. I also long vowel. See this. You will learn how to write A and I. Both are long vowels. I. A. A is not there in Sanskrit. A, short vowel, is not there. O. Au. Both are long vowels. O. It's a long vowel. There is no O. That is, short vowel is not there in Sanskrit. It is only long vowel. O. It looks A, then one stroke above that. Au. It also looks like A and then two stroke on that. Au. It is also long vowel. A, I, O, Au. All these four are long vowels. Aha, aha. These two are independent letters. Here we require only m, the dot, which is called anuswara, the dot. This can be used with any vowel. Okay, it can be used with any 13 vowels. Im, like that. Aha, aha, ihi. See, for example, we have given here only a. We can use with any vowel. Aha. Let us understand there are 5 short vowels and 8 long vowels. The 5 short vowels are a, e, u, r, l. The 8 long vowels are a, e, u, r, e, I, o, ow. This is also long vowel. The dot above a is called anuswara. This is used along with any vowel. It is not a vowel, but it is used along with any vowel. Aha, the colon, the 2 dots, is used next to a, is called visarga. This is also used with any vowel. So I request all the learners to go through this video once again. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.